Adding a cold case radiator to your Chevy Nova is a great way to cool your ride. We offer direct fit radiators for 62 to 79 model years. Our radiators feature oversized 2-row cores which have more capacity than 4-core brass copper units. They have stamped tanks to give an OEM look and 16 fins per inch for maximum efficiency. 62 to 67 models are Downflow, like original, and 68 to 79 come in 3 varieties: small block, big block, and LS swap. All versions work with the factory fan shroud, or you can upgrade to one of our fan shroud kits. For those with high horsepower builds, we have an industry-first Billet rad support module available for the popular 66 to 67 and 68 to 72 model years. These billet aluminum supports provide strength that controls flex and gives a high-tech Pro Touring look. Available in standard NLS configurations. They move the radiator forward to accommodate most engine configurations and aftermarket front drives. They arrive assembled and consist of a cross-flow radiator, aluminum fan shroud, dual 14-inch electric fans, and a billet cap to create the ultimate cooling solution, all backed by a lifetime warranty. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below, or give us a call at 844-REAL-COLD to get your ride cold case cool today.